We are excited to be planning for our annual Commission of Distance Learning and Teaching pre-conference. Our conference presentation formats might be a little different than what you are used to. So, to help you prepare your proposal, we thought we'd share a little more information. First, we are accepting proposals for key concept presentations. These are more formal or traditional presentations focused on a topic that is of interest to the broad membership of CDLT. We also have opportunities for you to propose a workshop. These are hands-on and interactive, and conference participants will walk away with information or a skill they can immediately apply. Finally, have you implemented a practice or tool in your class or workspace that's been effective and you want to share with others? And then an Innovation Station proposal is for you. These allow presenters an opportunity to share a tool, best practice, or concept for distance learning. We will have all Innovation Stations set up at the same time, and conference participants will be able to walk around and experience each station. We are also happy to announce that CDLT is accepting conference proposals for both in-person and virtual presentations. When you submit your proposal, be sure to note if you would like to present on-site or at a distance. We are the distance learning folks, and we are excited to be able to model this in our conference. Also, the proposal due date has been extended to April 5th, so you still have time to submit your idea. And remember, we are accepting nominations for our Outstanding Distance Learning Educator Award. You can find details on the CDLT website. We can't wait to learn from and celebrate the accomplishments of distance educators in our field. See you in October.